Hi guys, I'm Asif Ali and you're watching CGHOW video, and today we will try this kaleidoscope effect in Unreal Engine material. So let's just start this. So as you can see, these are very beautiful kaleidoscope, and the idea behind this is just the mirror. This is the mirror image of the same image. I'm not sure if I can create 100% same output, but I will try a similar, and maybe mm, that will be very helpful for you guys, and you will learn something new maybe today. So in Photoshop, if I'll show you the idea behind this, how it works. So it's mirror. So if I just take a print screen or just copy this image for now and paste, copy and paste. So this is mirror like this, because you can see these green shapes. These are all symmetry. Okay, and how does this work? So if I just undo again, and in Photoshop we have something called this here, this symmetry, and if I take like this dual, and now if I take my brush and create, you can see this will make this symmetry effect. Okay, so you can create anything and it will make the symmetry of thing. This is how symmetry works. So now we have this thing that I showed you. It is 1 by 1 means it will make the same thing 4 times. But before that, we will learn how these symmetry works in horizontal or vertical way. So that will be easy for you. Okay. So first we will understand this, how it will work in Unreal Engine material. Then we will cover this thing. Okay. So I just want to close this. Okay. So in material, I will just create a material. This is my kaleidoscope. And if I take a texture like you, and I take any texture, if I search for textures, something that will clear properly, like this character. If I take this character for now and preview this character,